When you're giving a speech, a presentation, a briefing, especially if it's a so-called formal speech, there's the tendency to want to utilize words like utilize, when instead you could simply use. One of the big problems many people have when they're giving a presentation and they're out of their comfort zone, that's when the uhs and ums start creeping in. The reason it happens is people are searching for bigger words than usual. They're thinking of that word they wrote down on a script or a PowerPoint slide. They're trying to remember the perfect word. Let me tell you, when you're giving a speech, a presentation, or a talk, very rarely does it matter the exact word you use. What matters is the idea you convey, and that you convey it in a comfortable, conversational, interesting, memorable way. So the big stumbling block for a lot of people, they're trying to remember exact phrases. They're trying to search for that perfect word. They can't find that word, and it's almost there, I almost see it. And you've destroyed the whole perception of you being comfortable and confident. So the solution is not to spend even more time rehearsing and memorizing. The solution is don't focus on any particular word. Instead, focus on one idea at a time. That way, you can just use the first word that comes to you. The first word that comes to you is usually the best word. And that word is rarely ever going to be or or